Yeah, I see him. Ooh, right on the truck. Boy, I annihilated that sucker. Woo. And he landed on the fence. Look at this. Yep, wedge right in it. Oop. There's 2 birds. Good boy, Quentin. Bring here, Quentin. Soft, Quentin. Soft, soft. Good boy. Boy, they're coming in close and getting shot hard. There's 2. Coming over your head, Jim. Quentin, watch daisies. Coming back. There it is, Jim. Catch out. I got him, Jim. I got him. So far, 3 for 3. Good boy, Quentin. Bring it here. Soft, Quentin. Soft. Soft. Bring him here, Quentin. Hey. Bring him here. Soft. Good boy. Drop him. Drop him. Right over your head, Jim. Right over the corn. Oop. Leave him. You what? Oh, devil. There's 3 on here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pow! Queenie's getting them, sucking them up like a damn vacuum. Come here, Queenie. Bring here. Good boy, Queenie. Queenie, come here. Soft. Soft. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy, Queenie. That's 4 for 4 this morning. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. If they can find it. Dead bird. Dead. Good boy. Stretch it up. Good boy. Hey, soft, Quentin. Yeah, I got it. Soft, Quentin. Good boy. Good boy. Soft. Quentin, bring here. Quentin. Quentin, bring here. Soft. Soft. Bring here. Good girl. I got it. Well, that's 5 for 5. High flyer. Ooh, behind you, right over your head, Jim. Right over your head. Right over your head. 3. Ooh, crap. Oh, my first miss. Too much tractors and stuff in the way. Whoa. Daisy. Whoa. Daisy, whoa. Daisy, whoa. Boy, Quentin's a vacuum cleaner. Coming around, Jim. Bring here, Quentin. These shells are not cycling. Come here, Quentin. Quentin, bring it here. Yeah, bring it here, Quentin. Good boy. Drop it. Whoa. 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 So, 6 for. And it's fed. Hey, leave her alone. Good girl, Daisy. Quentin! Quentin! No! Quentin! Come here, bird. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Caught my shell in my hand. You're right in my hand. In my armpit. Good girl, Daisy. Quentin. Good girl. Good girl. Bring here, Daisy. Soft. Good girl. You got a much better mouth than Quentin. What are you doing, Quentin? You're a retard. Look at that dummy. Look at that dummy right there. Quinny being a dummy right there. Come here, Quinny. Quinny, come. You big dummy. You big dummy. You big dummy. That's Quinny being a dummy. Jim, look, turn around, Jim. Turn around, Jim. Turn around. Coming right down the road. Whoa, Daisy, Daisy, come. Right down the road. Right down the road. You got him, Jim. You got him. You got him, Jim. You got him. You got him. It can go. It can only go up, Jim. Shoot him again, Jim. You didn't shoot him. You might have got him in the lung. Let's see, boy. This is interesting. He's going down. He can't hold. He can't maintain altitude, Jim. He's going down. He's going down, Jim. Good girl, Daisy. Get him here, Daisy. Quentin, come. Quentin, come. Quentin, come. Quentin, come. Quentin, leave her alone, Quentin. Quentin, leave her alone. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Soft, Daisy. Soft. Soft. Good girl. Oh, he's mad. That's a mad dove. I got a mad dove here. Nope. You didn't get him, Jim. You didn't get that one, Jim. He's mad at me. Screaming at me. Ooh, ooh. Wow, he's coming in hot. Give him. Do they take off the wire? Get him, Copper. Bring him here, Copper. Copper, come here. Bring him here, Copper. Good boy. Good boy. Here's my case. Whoop, 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 whoop. Get him, guys. Hard to find your cases out here. Good. Bring him here, Quentin. Good boy, Quentin. Bring him here, buddy. Come on. Bring it soft, Quentin. Come on. Come on, bring it here. Good boy. Soft. Soft, Quentin. Soft. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl, Daisy. One for Quentin in the deep stuff. Go here. That one's not moving. Good boy, Copper. Quentin, no! Quentin, no. Bring here, Copper. Good boy. Hold it, hold it. I got it. Thanks, Copper. Did you get one, Jim? Try to cut her off and get it from her. Or not. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Soft, Daisy, soft. Bring here. Soft, soft. Good girl. Oh, get it. Hold it, hold it. Good girl. Got it. I got it. No, leave it. I got to really ring yours. You're just barely necking them. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Okay, I got a bird on here. Shellac and Daisy the too. Jim's bird. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, God dang it. Boy, I launched his little butt. Quinny, leave her alone, Quinny. Oh, crud. Get him, Daisy. Get him, Daisy. Quentin, come here, Quentin. Bring it here. Everybody, Quentin, bring it here, Quentin. Daisy, Quentin, come. Daisy, Quentin, come. No, no. Macy, leave it. You're a good girl, Macy. Good girl. Macy. Good girl. Yeah, but now don't drop it. Where do they all go? That bird, pitch it up. Pitch it up. Good boy, Quinn, Copper. Good boy. Good boy, Copper. Good boy, drop it. All three of them. I was raining doves. Quinn likes to go swimming there. I don't blame him. Jim, right out front. He'll have to go right over you before you hit him. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a long shot. Too long, Daisy, too long. Wish we had a dove roosting tree. That changes the dynamics. Oh. I took 2 shots, but I got them. Wow, I didn't realize I was out of shells. Catch him up.
Here he comes.
Good boy, Copper. Good boy, Copper. Bring him here. Leave him alone. No. There was a couple of them which made me think it might have been your birds while you're over there screaming at Macy the other day. Boom! You're welcome. I didn't know you were seeing that, Jim. Bring her here. Get it from Macy. Leave Quentin. Leave her alone. Oh man, there's 3 more that are coming in closer for you, Jim. Come here, bring her here. Quentin, bring her. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Macy dropped it. Quentin got it. See if I can get it. Well, landed in that tree right there. I don't know why you wouldn't shake it.
The dogs are all over on that.
It's in the tree. If it's in the tree, they can't. Wow! You got to shake out the
tree. I'll let go over.
You didn't shake the tree like I told you to. You just stood there with your teeth in your mouth. Come here, guys. Oh, he's right here. Right at eye level, you dumbass. Get him, Daisy. A dumbass. Come here, Quentin, bring it here. Right at eye level. Come here, Quentin, bring it here, sock. Huh? He was sitting in that tree, barely clinging to it. Half upside down.
Still alive?
Yeah. Next time I say shake the tree. Next time I say shake the tree, shake the damn tree. Oh, there went that floater right over my head. He's gonna land. Oh, he might come back, Jim. He may just come back for a quick shooting. He's gonna
hit.
He hit again. What the devil? Get him, Daisy. Get him, Daisy.
You see him?
Inside. Oh, there. Oh, he's coming right here. Oh, that's a different one. Ow. Get him, Daisy. Oh, good girl, Daisy. Good girl. Oh, Quentin. Good girl. Good boy, Quentin. Drop it. Good boy. Good boy, Quentin.
I wonder where you hit that one.
Probably just one in his lung. Usually when they do that pinwheel and stuff, it's a lung shot. That's not a kill there.
He's killed though. He got caught by the Swedes blowing up some killed firecrackers.
Bring him here, Copper. Bring him here. Good boy, Copper. Bring him here. Good boy. Good boy. Stop it. Good job, Copple. There's a dead bird. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, Daisy. Man, he is hot. Oh, good shot. Bam!
That was a great shot.
Bam! Yeah, I think my spring is the only thing that's wrong right now. I just need to pull the spring out and stretch it out. It's probably not these shells. Dead bird, fetch it up. Good boy, Copper. Quentin, leave him alone. Leave him alone, Quentin. Come on, buddy. Good boy, Copper. Quentin! Quentin! No! No, Quentin. Good boy, Copper. Way to hang in there and not let him take that bird from you. Good boy. Good boy, Copper. Good boy, Copper. Leave it. He's dead. He's dead, Jim.
Deader than natural.
That's a high shot, too.
He's rat. Right there. Oh, right beside
Oh,
you.
my word, Flowers.
Coming back around.
Coming back around. No, he's not. Little dog's going to chase him off.
My
That's a
God.
long shot with Copper retrieve on this.